Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the angler lantern. So what you'll need to do, I can't demonstrate it now because I'm gonna run out of orcas and kraken. You'll need an orca or a kraken, and you're going to feed it to the anglerfish. Then you're going to get the lantern. So I don't have any orcas or kraken. Oh, I do have the kraken here. You're just going to basically give it to um, the anglerfish, and you'll be able to get the lantern. And yeah, I can't show you again because I'm going to lose my fish. Like, I already collected it. But that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, I'll just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.